Buffett indicator is often used as a key metric in the US to determine valuations level of the stock market. But how true does it hold in the context of Indian markets? Watch this video to find out. Warren Buffett once said that probably the single best metric to gauge where valuations stand is to calculate the market cap to GDP ratio. This ratio is also called Buffett indicator. This is interpreted this way. If the ratio is less than 75%, the market is considered undervalued. 75 to 100%, fairly valued. 100 to 120%, slightly overvalued. 120 to 150%, overvalued. India's market cap to GDP ratio currently stands at 136%, an all-time high. But does it 100% confirm the market will crash? Not necessary. Let's see why. Number one metric like Buffett indicator can tell you only a part of the story, not the complete picture of the Indian stock market. हमारी मार्केट के दूसरे वैल्यूएशन रेशियोज सच एज प्राइस टू बुक और प्राइस टू अर्निंग्स ज्यादा ओवर वैल्यूएशन इंडिकेट नहीं करते. They are trading only slightly above long-term average, which suggests that there may still be room for the market to grow. Number 2, the market cap growth of Indian companies is powered by earnings growth. Since financial year 21, India's nominal GDP has grown by 65%, while earnings have grown by 219%. Since India is one of the fastest growing major economies in the world, our market deserves premium valuations. Moreover, India जैसे growth oriented market में you can't confidently predict कि अगर market overvalued है तो crash करेगा ही. We have noticed in the past that in fast-growing economies, markets tend to grow even more. That's why we can't rely solely on Buffett indicator to access stock market's valuation. We need to dig deeper and do in-depth analysis to uncover the truth. What do you think about the current valuation of the Indian stock markets? And where do you see the market trajectory from here on? Let us know in comments. And for more such market insights, subscribe कीजिए ICICI Direct को और बेल आइकन दबाना ना भूलें.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.